Myself Deepchan Sharma, lecturer Instrumentation Engineering, Government Polytechnic College Kota. Control System Components IE 208. Today we will discuss on thermal protection relay or overload relay. Working principle and construction of thermal overload relay. The coefficient of expansion is one of the basic properties of any material. Two different metals always have different degree of linear expansion. A bimetallic strip always bends when it heated up. Due to this inequality of linear expansion of two different metals, working principle of thermal protection relay. A thermal protection relay works on the coefficient of expansion property of metals. The basic working principle of thermal relay is that when a bimetallic strip is heated up by a heating coil carrying overcurrent of the system, it bends and makes normally open contacts. Construction of thermal protection relay. The construction of thermal protection relay is quite simple as shown in figure. The bimetallic strip has two metals. This metal A and metal B. Metal A has a lower coefficient of expansion and metal B has higher coefficient of expansion. When overcurrent flows through the heating coil, this one is heating coil, it heats up the bimetallic strip. Due to the heat generated by the coil, both of the metals are expanded, but expansion of metal B is more than expansion of metal A. Due to this dissimilar expansion, the bimetallic strip is bent towards metal A. The strip bends. The anode contact, normally open contact, is closed with ultimately energize the trip coil of a circuit breaker. The heating effect is not instantaneous. As per Joule's law of heating, the amount of heat generated is H proportional to I square RT, where H is the amount of heat generated, I is the overcurrent flowing through the heating coil of the thermal relay, R is the electric resistance of the heating coil, T is the time for which the current I flows through the heating coil. Hence, from the above equation, it is clear that heat generated by the coil is directly proportional to the time during which the overcurrent flows through the coil. Hence, there is a prolonged time delay in the operation of thermal relay. That is why this type of relay is generally used where overload is allowed to flow for a predetermined amount of time before it trips. If overload or overcurrent falls down to normal values before this predetermined time, the relay will not be operated to trip the protected equipment. A typical application of thermal protection relay is overload protection of electric motor. Thank you.